Welcome back to the Williston State College Turf Project. We're excited to share the latest updates as we move closer to completing this transformative endeavor. The fields have now been completely stripped down to the clay, giving us a fresh start to build these top-tier athletic surfaces. After preparing the clay base, crews have laid down a layer of rock. This forms the crucial foundation that will support the new turf. In addition, the retaining wall for the baseball backstop is now complete. This solid structure is just one of the many steps taken to enhance the durability and quality of our fields. External drainage systems have also been installed, ensuring the fields remain in peak condition, even after heavy rains. This week, the outfield fencing posts are being put up around the fields, marking another significant milestone as the project progresses. Our teams have selected Act Global as our turf brand. The outfield will feature alternating green stripes for a sharp, professional look, while the dirt areas will be represented by a rich, dark brown turf. Looking ahead, we're on track for the baseball field to be completed by September 24th, with the softball field following in mid to late October. These fields are set to become a centerpiece of pride for Williston State College. We would like to extend a heartfelt thank you to everyone who has donated to support this project. Your contributions are making this vision a reality. Special thanks to the Williston State College Foundation and TrainND for their continued support and for providing these aerial videos, which allow us to share the progress with you. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more updates as we continue building the future of athletics at Williston State College.